Hi there, dear moms, dads, and all the families holding your tiny miracles. We went through pregnancy step by step together, sharing every week, and now a whole new adventure starts. The first month in the big wide world. Your baby has been here for a month now, and their growth is moving into a totally new stage. So, what can a 1 month old baby do? Can they see you and know who you are? How much sleep do they need? And what about feeding time? So, let's dive in together and find out all about how your 1 month old baby is growing. Let's talk about how they grow. A 1 month old baby usually weighs between 7.7 and 11 pounds, and they're about 20 to 23 inches long. This month, babies usually get back to the weight they were when they were born. It's normal for them to lose a little weight in the first few days, but by about day 10, they should be back to their birth weight. Their head will measure about 14 to 15 inches around. Their head still looks big for their body, and their neck muscles are still weak. So it's super important to always support your baby's head when you hold them. At 1 month old, babies have some cool reflexes they're born with, and they're very active. The Moro reflex. If there's a sudden noise or movement, they'll throw their arms out. The sucking reflex. They'll latch on tight to a nipple or bottle. The rooting reflex. If you touch their cheek, they'll turn their head that way, looking for food. The grasping reflex. If you put your finger in their palm, they'll grab on tight. They can't quite hold their head up all by themselves yet, but if you put them on their tummy, they might lift their head up for a little bit. Around this time, babies usually eat about 8 to 12 times a day. Each feeding, whether it's breastfeeding or bottle feeding, might take about 20 to 30 minutes. If your baby is breastfeeding, having 6 to 8 wet diapers a day is a good sign they're getting enough to eat. 1 month old babies can get a little gassy when they eat, so it's important to burp them after every feeding. 1 month old babies sleep a lot, about 14 to 17 hours a day. But they don't sleep all at once. It's usually in short bursts. It helps to keep your baby in a brighter place during the day, and then make things dark and quiet at night. This helps them learn the difference between day and night. What about their eyesight? A 1 month old baby can see things that are about 8 to 12 inches away. That means they can see your face pretty clearly when you're holding them. And their hearing? They're starting to know the sound of mom's and dad's voices. Loud, sudden noises might make them jump, smell, and taste. They can tell the smell of breast milk and will turn towards smells they know. This month, crying is their main way of talking to you. They cry to tell you if they're hungry, gassy, need a diaper change, or just want to cuddle. They might make eye contact with you sometimes. They'll pay attention to mom's and dad's voices, and might even try to turn their head to see where the sound is coming from. They probably won't be smiling on purpose yet. That's called a social smile. But you might see some sweet changes in their facial expressions.